Walking on down along here because it's romantic.
Very romantic. I'm feeling all
This is
kinds
me.
of warm and fuzzy.
It's like it's the river walk. Man, we could pitch a tent over there on that sandbar.
Looks like there was folks fishing over there. Those X's are what they put the pole on.
Yeah. You gotta put a coin in that thing to look.
I just might have a coin.
Well, I mean, I don't know. You might not need a coin.
Change out so I wouldn't be heavy.
No,
Going hiking.
I don't think it needs. I don't know. It might.
Everything needs. Oh no, it don't need money.
What do you see? Look at that.
Ooh.
I mean, I'm telling you.
Whoa. Yeah.
There's ducks right there.
Wow.
That's a rock.
Nose over there.
And then there's some snow geese or something over there, sunning themselves, and there's a bunch of. What kind of geese are they? Do you know? There's a resort.
Gotta look through here.